and welcome to week 18 of Babies and Books. Now, for those of you who might not have seen the videos, Babies and Books is all about sharing books with your little ones, but also having fun, really engaging with them and really spending some quality time with them as well. So we always start our sessions with our little hello song, and we do some shout outs to some of you. If you would like a shout out, just pop your name in the comments box down below. Okay, so hello Libby, hello Libby, hello Libby, it's nice to have you here. Hello Megan, hello Megan, hello Megan, it's nice to have you here. Hello Oscar, hello Oscar, hello Oscar, it's nice to have you here. Hooray! So our theme again this week, you may have guessed, it is animals and some zoo animals really. And we're going to be reading again Annie Felliad by Debbie Powell, and it's a Bookstart Cymru book. Okay, but before we do that, we're going to sing the songs that we've been singing for the last couple of weeks, or saying, should I say. Some of them aren't really singing. Okay, so we're going to start with Three Little Monkeys. Sorry, monkey action. Okay. Three little monkeys swinging from a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quietly as could be, and snap went the crocodile. Then there were two little monkeys swinging from the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quietly as could be, and snap went the crocodile. Then there was one little monkey swinging from the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, as quietly as could be, and snap went the crocodile. And then there were none. No little monkeys swinging from the tree. Oh no. Okay, the next one's about an elephant. So it's all about an elephant. Here we go, an elephant. An elephant walks like this and that. He's terribly tall and he's terribly fat. He has no fingers, he has no toes, but goodness gracious, what a nose! Fantastic. And the last one that I'm going to do is to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It, but it's using the animal sounds and some animal actions as well. So if you're a lion and you know it, say rah rah. If you're a lion and you know it, say rah rah. If you're a lion and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a lion and you know it, say rah rah. If you're a crocodile and you know it, go snap snap. If you're a crocodile and you know it, go snap snap. If you're a crocodile and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a crocodile and you know it, go snap snap. If you're a monkey and you know it, jump up high, ooh, ooh. If you're a monkey and you know it, jump up high, ooh, ooh. If you're a monkey and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're a monkey and you know it, jump up high, ooh, ooh. Fantastic, I hope you were all joining in with that and showing your little one your funny animal poses. Okay, so we will next have a little look at the story. Okay, so roar, roar, said the lion. Snap, snap, went the crocodile. said the monkeys. Trumpety trump, said the elephant. Caw, caw, said the parrot. Caw, caw, said the parrot. What's that noise? The pandas are fast asleep. If you want to, you can give your little ones a great big hug. Oh, the pandas are sleepy, sleepy pandas. Oh, it's been really lovely, everybody. Now, just to let you know, we are actually doing babies and books classes now in Mould Library, which is really, really exciting for us. So 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock on a Friday. There is limited availability, but if you'd like to come along and we have got spaces, do give us a call. The number is 01352 703 780, and we hope to see you in the library soon. Take care. Bye.